Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Roku firmware to access the latest features and improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your device stays current. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and ensure it is connected to a stable internet connection, as the firmware update requires downloading files from Roku's servers. Step 2. Press the Home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the main screen and access the device menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu options to open the configuration panel. Step 4. In the Settings menu, navigate to System and select it to view system-related options. Step 5. Choose System Update from the list, which will display your current firmware version and update status. Step 6. Select Check Now to manually search for available firmware updates. Roku will connect to its servers and check if a newer version is available. Step 7. If an update is found, select Update Now to begin downloading and installing the new firmware. Your Roku will restart automatically once the installation is complete. Step 8. After the restart, verify that the update was successful by checking the firmware version number in System Update settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.